Hey guys, Cisco Voice Dude here. Just giving a quick little test here to Camtasia. Seems like a Mac version has come out. I'm always a ScreenFlow user for my screen captures because I am a Mac user. I've used Camtasia in the past on the PC platform, but it was just brought to my attention that a Mac version is now available. So this is a chance to kind of kick the tires real quick, give it a spin, and see what it can do. And at the same time, we'll do a little bit of route switch content here as an example. I'm going to take a look at a Cisco 2811 router that I've got connected here, telnet 10.10.210.1, and we will go ahead and log in here if I can remember all the passwords. And let's take a quick look at how this router is configured. This is configured as a headquarters router here in a lab scenario that I've been working on for some voice stuff. And if you want to take a look at it, show IP into brief, we can see that I've got on my fast Ethernet interface three 802.1q tagged sub-interfaces, FA00.10.20 and .30. Each of those are connected to a small subnet, 10.10.100, 10.10.200, 10.10.210. We've got an uplink with an 802.1q trunk to my switch. And if you want to take a look at how those fasties are configured, show run pipe begin fast Ethernet 0/0, we'll see that on the .10 sub interface we're using encapsulation .1q10, on the .20 the same thing, encapsulation .1q20, and for the .30 we've actually flagged our native VLAN. So if I were to send or receive traffic on this link that's untagged, say I disconnected it from that 802.1q trunk and I just plugged the regular link in, we would use this .30 sub interface on the router to communicate with those untagged packets. So pretty straightforward .1q trunking there. Like I was saying, I've got some voice going on in this router. I do have EIGRP configured, show IP protocols. We've got routing for networks 10.0.0.0, so the whole 10 space is what I'm using here in the test lab. And we're using the default K values, the K1 of 1, K2 of 0, K3 of 1, K4 of 0, and K5 of 0. And you'll remember that the K values are how we flag what characteristics of the EIGRP protocol we're using to classify, not to classify, but to make our routing decisions. Am I using bandwidth or delay or link loading or, etc. So you'll notice we're using the defaults. And a quick brain teaser to remember those default K values for your certification exam. If you go back to the early Ethernet switches when we were starting to do the whole dual speed thing, the 10.100 thing, if you look at the default K values, they actually work out to 10.100. So it has nothing to do with the technology, but it's a quick, easy brain trick to remember that for preparing for your certification studies. Again, take a look at the router, show IP route. We've got 3 connected routes. Those are those .1q tagged sub-interfaces on FA00 that I was showing you a moment ago. And we've also got a static default route configured for 0000 going to 10.10 to 10.60. Now on this network that happens to be an ASA firewall, so that's an internet access sort of thing. You go ahead and do a ping 4222, we'll do an internet ping, and you'll notice that's successful. We'll go ahead and do a trace route to 4222, and you'll be able to see, boom, crossing the internet, life is good. So as you can see, a little bit of basic routing going on there, and a little spin of the wheels for Camtasia on the Mac. Hopefully this has been helpful, and good luck with your studies.